Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a viral TikTok drink, a strawberry frappe from Starbucks. If you want to learn how you can make this drink at home, then keep on watching. For today's recipe, you will only need 4 main ingredients. 1 cup of frozen strawberries. If you don't have frozen strawberries at home, you can use a cup of fresh strawberries and put in a cup of ice. 1 cup of milk of your choice. If you'd like to use non-dairy, you can also use non-dairy. You need 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you'd like for this drink to be less sweet, you can add in less sugar. If you'd like it to be more sweet, then you can add in more sugar. And our final ingredient, 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. Once you have all your ingredients, just put everything into a blender and blend away until your drink is a smooth consistency. Next, next, you want to take your glass and also get some whipped cream and put some whipped cream into the cup. Once you have your desired amount of whipped cream in your glass, take a spatula and put the whipped cream all around the cup, sort of like this. It doesn't have to be in any specific design, this is just for presentation. Once your cup sort of looks something like this, you want to then take your drink and you want to pour it into the cup slowly. After that, take some more whipped cream and put it on top. Your drink should look something like this. And there you have it, a strawberry frappuccino from Starbucks made right at home with only 4 ingredients. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified about future videos. Also, leave a comment below if you tried this recipe at home and share your photos with me on Instagram or Facebook. Leave your suggestions on what else you would like to see from my channel. Until next time, stay safe, healthy, and happy. Until next time, stay safe, healthy, and happy.